I'm very frustrated, I have to say. I wanted to share this video because I've been investing with Tesla now for a long time. I believe in Tesla and I used to believe in Elon Musk. But is Elon Musk turning into a bit of an idiot, a bit of a clown, a bit of a fool, a bit of a buffoon? Well, you might say he's trying to bring free speech into Tesla, into Twitter, and that's all great and well and good, and everybody should be able to say what they like. And yes, but remember, he is an executive. He's the CEO of Tesla. He's also the owner of SpaceX. The guy has an incredible talent of bringing amazing technologies to the masses, and all that's great, but we've now got to understand that Elon Musk has to learn how to behave, because there's now evidence to show, and I'm going to share some of this with you now, that advertisers are leaving Twitter. They don't want to be associated with this nonsense, this craziness, this off-the-wall speech, this silly behavior of someone who has one of the biggest companies in the world acting like an idiot, a buffoon, a clown. The reality is we have all made Elon Musk. We have all bought his shares to build his company up. It's because of the investors. Without our money, he wouldn't have Tesla. He wouldn't have SpaceX or any of it. He's made money from us, the investors. And right now he's burning all the investors. He's treating us all like we're idiots. And I think the time has come, and it looks like it's happening now, that Elon Musk will be removed as CEO from Tesla. And if I'm honest, I think it's the best thing that could happen now, because Elon Musk is getting out of hand. If we take a quick look at some of the posts here and look at Tesla shares right now, I mean, Tesla shares is just diabolical. All the markets were flat today. Most of my decent stocks with decent positions, they were all holding their own today. Of course, we've got a bit of selling going on because of the CPI tomorrow, but Tesla is down 6.5%, up slightly in the after hours. Now, the fundamentals of Tesla are still very, very good. In fact, in the last few minutes, I bought 2 more shares of Tesla. So with all this silliness, it's actually done me a favor, because I actually believe in the long-term position of Tesla, but I no longer have any faith whatsoever in our CEO. Chief engineer and chief rocket scientist and whatever. I used to think it was quite funny, but I'm afraid the guy's gone off the rails now. Doesn't seem to understand or even care that it's our money that's made him who he is today. So what do you think? I'd like your thoughts in the comments below and discuss this, but let's have a look at some of the tweets recently. He's trying to give free speech to Twitter. But does that mean that the CEO of Twitter and the CEO of Tesla can act like an idiot? People can come on here and rant and rave. Should the CEO of Tesla be behaving like this in front of a gravestone here? You might think it's quite funny. It's funny if somebody else put a post out like this, but it really isn't funny, because at the end of the day, the reality is you've got to behave like a CEO. You've got to be respectful of the fact that people are investing in you. And the reality is, right now, as we look at this, advertisers are leaving Twitter. More importantly than that, if that's not bad enough, we've got now people cancelling their orders with Tesla. They don't want to be associated anymore with Elon Musk. They think he's a liability. They think he's a loose cannon. What do you think about that? I mean, at the end of the day, if you are an investor of Tesla, the last thing that you want to hear is people are cancelling orders because it doesn't look cool anymore. People think that the CEO is a bit of a clown. At the end of the day, you've got to know how to behave if you are a CEO of a company. Now, the fundamentals right now of Tesla are still pretty good, but the reaction to Elon Musk is getting worse by the minute. He's becoming a clown on Twitter. I would like your views. This is a live feed as I'm making this now. If you want to come into the chat, I will love your opinions and thoughts, and I will answer your questions live. let's just go over and take a look at some of the tweets he's done recently, and I'd like your thoughts on this. We were talking about COVID earlier on today. The woke mind virus is either defeated or nothing else matters. My pronouns are prosecute Fauci. We're starting getting silly now with pronouns. Now, of course, that's quite an emotional, sensitive subject for a lot of people. I mean, again, he probably thinks he's being funny. The other night, we had, of course, Elon Musk was booed off stage. Now, you might go, well, you know, he's controversial. He likes a bit of fun. But at the end of the day, is this how a CEO of a company should behave? I think it's time that Elon Musk steps down from CEO of Tesla. Right now, the reason why shares of Tesla are going down, simple as this, people are losing faith with Elon Musk. People are selling their shares of Tesla. We have got one of the biggest reasons why Tesla shares are going down is because Twitter is losing money. We've got advertisers leaving, people cancelling orders of Tesla, even though the fundamentals are good. So Elon Musk is using Tesla as a piggy bank. It's basically a source of funds for Elon Musk now to play with. But that's all very well and good, and you might regard that as an opportunity, the fact that it's driving the stock price down. But at the end of the day, if it keeps on going down, people are going to be very reluctant to buy in. Now, I am fully behind Tesla. I love what Tesla's doing. I believe in Tesla, but I do not any longer believe in Elon Musk, and I used to. And the trouble is, this stock price has got to where it is because Elon Musk had perhaps a fan base, and that fan base is leaving all the time. What we've got now is idiots tweeting and saying stupid stuff on Twitter, and the whole thing is getting a bit stupid. All right, we've got a comment just come in right now, so I want to bring this up if I may. I've got someone in the live chat. We're making a video here during a live show, so let's have a little look. This is Malk. Malk UK has just posted a comment here, and Malk UK says, "Hi Martin, yes, I'm beginning to question my purchase of Tesla shares as a sound investment." There you go. There's an investor of Tesla right now just come into the chat. There you go. And this is the problem. More and more people are looking at Tesla now as being perhaps a bad investment. This has never happened before. Everybody was fully behind Tesla, loved Tesla. That's why the stock price has gone up so much. But what we've got now is a CEO who's completely unhinged and looking like a clown. So the title of this video is Elon Musk becoming a clown? I would like your thoughts below in the comments of this video after it goes out, and I will reply to everyone's comments, and I'll make videos on and answer your questions as much as I can. We've got another opinion here just come in. Tesla is going down. I don't like him either. I don't know how he is the richest person alive. There we go. Mohammed Kahin has just made a comment. Tesla is going down. These are viewers that watch my show that are Tesla investors, people that believe in Tesla are talking like this. And this should be of a concern, a major concern that investors, fans, if you like, of Elon Musk and Tesla are starting to turn away. Now, I am down at the moment. If I go over to my position, I'll share with you. Look, I'm down $2,800. I actually was up $2,800. I do believe that next quarter is going to be good. However, but Elon Musk is doing damage to this company right now. Spyro has just come in and made no real comment, really just LOL, just laughing. I've no idea why they're laughing, but we share everyone's comments. There was one tweet, however, to do with the booing of Elon Musk, which was removed from Twitter. Yes, removed from Twitter. So we've got Elon Musk saying that we have open speech, and yet he removed, or Twitter removed a post where he was booed. So is Elon Musk now starting to control the way Twitter looks? What do you think about that? So I always answer everyone's comments, share everyone's comments, and even Spyro, who just is laughing, is able to put their comment on my show. There you go. Please consider of buying Fisker. Mohammed Kahin says, please consider of buying a Fisker. Let's have a look here. Lights FF, your average cost after all the splits is too high. That's rough. Yeah, it is. It is too high. I am very concerned that some of our investors have predicted that Tesla will go down to $110 a share. He can remove whatever posts he wants. They're his own. That is true. I understand what you're saying, but at the end of the day, I understand what you're saying, but however, he was booed off stage, and you know, you might regard that as, I get your point. He removed, it's his post. But if we're trying to have an open debate of what's going on, remember, this is the CEO of Tesla, the CEO of Twitter. You know, should he be hiding the news like that? I mean, if you behave, look, I have to be responsible for the things I do. I have to be responsible for the things I say. Should I be able to behave in any way at all and it doesn't matter? Well, my opinion, posting posts like this, acting like this, you know, at the end of the day, I think it's an absolute disgrace. It's destroying my portfolio right now. So yes, I am mad. I am mad because my portfolio is going down because Elon Musk is raiding the bank of Tesla to buy Twitter. And now people are leaving Twitter because they don't want to be behind Elon Musk anymore. So what do you think of that? You know, at the end of the day, let me go over to this, some more questions here. We just had some breaking news about Sam Bankman-Fried is off to jail. Good. He's off to jail. That's the best thing that ever happened to crypto, by the way. It's now made people realize the whole thing is run by scammers. Anyway, got another comment just coming in now. Let me bring this up to on the screen. All EVs are bad now. It's not the time to invest in EV. Mr. Lucas, please buy more Tilray. I've got plenty of Tilray, enough in my portfolio. I do believe that Tesla is a great company. However, I just think Elon Musk is behaving in a terrible way. Do you think that the CEO of Twitter and the CEO of Tesla should behave in this way? He's not just making educated comments. If I scroll down through his post earlier, I was reading through. It's okay to make comments, but when they're provocative and they are inciting anger, I mean, this comment here about the pronouns, that certainly will anger a lot of people. People won't like that. You know, please attack me. You know, it's just comments like this. Please attack me. Comments like this, you wouldn't see from Tim Cook. You wouldn't see that from other CEOs of major companies, Google, Microsoft, Apple, all these companies. They wouldn't behave in this way. And what I'm concerned with is everyone is entitled to free speech, but they're not entitled when they're damaging their own business, because at the end of the day, you have to behave in a certain way. If you act like a clown, you'll be treated like a clown, and people will take their advertisement elsewhere. They will come off Twitter, and they're doing it right now, and people are canceling their orders of Tesla because they don't want to be associated with Elon. They'll just buy from somebody else. He's not the only EV car maker on the block anymore. Anyway, there's my thoughts. I just thought I would share it with you. I don't know what you think. Tomorrow is CPI. I do think Tesla is going down lower. I have bought a couple more at 168, so I'm kind of covering myself if it does pop up in the morning. I do think tomorrow we're going to have maybe a 5 to 7% bounce, maybe 7.2, 7.3 is my call on the CPI figures, and then of course Jerome Powell on Wednesday. So there you go. That's it for me. Someone just said to me, would I consider Neo China EV? No, I'm really not a fan of Chinese stocks either. More manipulation, even worse than Elon. Anyway, there you go. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will answer everyone's question. And the question is Elon Musk a clown? And should he be the CEO, continue to be the CEO of of Tesla, and should he be using Tesla as a piggy bank to play games with Twitter, knowing that people are leaving, advertisers are leaving, which means he's raiding more money from the Tesla bank, and at the end of the day, it's driving the stock price down to lows that really are quite dangerous for the stock. And if they go too low, of course, people will lose faith. It's not just an automatic bounce back. If a stock gets destroyed, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to bounce all the way back again. People will lose faith in the company, and as long as Elon Musk is the CEO, things could spiral worse for Elon Musk. Anyway, until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.